Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the take time option in your Quire project or your project and the editing or whatever you are working on the Quire website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after go to the website we have to open our project or the workspace you are working on. And after that, as you can see, you will get the plus icon here. So we have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on the plus icon, as you can see, here is the option for the track time. The shortcut key is also provided here. You have to click on the track time, and after clicking on the track time, as you can see now, the editing and the task and the stopwatch and the promo. If you want to enable this, you can also enable this. You have to click on the start, and after clicking on the start, as you can see now, this will be started. If you want to minimize this, you can minimize it. If you want to stop it later, you can also do this. So as you can see now, this is minimized. I'm working on the project. You can track your time as well. Now if you want to stop this, you have to click on this and it will be stopped. So I'm going to click on this. As you can see, let's click on this and it will be stopped. So in this way you can take your time and you can stop that. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.